Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that will make your English conversations sound more natural and fluent. Idioms. What are idioms, you ask? Well, they are phrases where the meaning isn't obvious from the individual words. They are a key part of everyday English, and using them correctly can help you connect better with native speakers. It might seem like a lot to learn, with thousands of idioms in English, but don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we will focus on some of the most common idioms that you can start using right away. Let's start with some idioms you can use in your daily life. First up is under the weather. If someone says they are feeling under the weather, it means they are feeling slightly ill or sick. So instead of just saying, "I'm sick," you can use this idiom to sound more natural.
Hey, are you coming to the party tonight?
I don't think so. I'm feeling a bit under the weather. I think I'll just stay home and rest.
Next, we have a piece of cake. If something is a piece of cake, it's very easy to do. So if you find something incredibly simple, you can say, "It was a piece of cake."
How was the exam?
It was a piece of cake. I finished it in 20 minutes.
Feeling tired? You can say, "I'm going to hit the sack," or "I'm going to hit the hay." Both of these idioms mean to go to bed or go to sleep. The origin of this phrase comes from a time when mattresses were sacks filled with hay. It's a very common and informal way to say you're going to sleep.
It's getting late. I have to wake up early tomorrow.
You're right. I'm gonna hit the sack. Good night.
Now let's look at some idioms that are useful in social situations. Break the ice means to start a conversation or make people feel more comfortable, especially in a new or awkward situation. A simple joke or a friendly question can be a great way to break the ice.
It's my first day at this new job and I don't know anyone.
Don't worry, I'll help you break the ice. Let me introduce you to some of our colleagues.
Have you ever accidentally revealed a secret? Then you've let the cat out of the bag. This idiom means to reveal a secret by mistake. Be careful not to let the cat out of the bag when it comes to surprises. Another similar idiom is spill the beans.
We're planning a surprise party for Sarah's birthday.
Oh, that's great. I almost let the cat out of the bag when I asked her about her plans for Saturday.
Are you joking with someone? Then you're pulling their leg. This idiom means to tease or joke with someone by telling them something that isn't true. It's a light-hearted way to say you're kidding.
I heard you won the lottery.
I'm just pulling your leg. I wish.
Now, let's move on to some idioms you might hear in a work or decision-making context. When someone says, "The ball is in your court," it means it's your turn to take action or make a decision. This is a common phrase in business and sports.
I've given you all the information you need for the project. Now the ball is in your court to come up with a plan.
To cut corners means to do something in the easiest or cheapest way, often by sacrificing quality. Cutting corners can lead to problems in the long run.
We can finish the project faster if we use cheaper materials.
I don't think that's a good idea. We shouldn't cut corners when it comes to safety.
Have you ever had to work late into the night to finish something? If so, you were burning the midnight oil. This idiom paints a vivid picture of someone working hard late at night.
You look tired.
I was burning the midnight oil last night studying for my final exams.
Let's look at a few more common idioms. If something happens once in a blue moon, it happens very rarely.
Do you ever eat fast food?
Only once in a blue moon. I prefer home-cooked meals.
If something costs an arm and a leg, it is very expensive.
I love your new phone.
Thanks, but it cost me an arm and a leg.
Bite the bullet means to face a difficult or unpleasant situation with courage.
I'm really nervous about the dental appointment.
I know, but you just have to bite the bullet and get it over with.
And there you have it. 12 common English idioms to help you sound more like a native speaker. Remember, learning idioms takes time and practice. Start by trying to use one or two in your conversations each day. You can also watch movies and TV shows to see how they are used in different contexts. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more English learning tips. Let us know in the comments which of these idioms is your favorite, or if there are any other idioms you'd like us to explain. See you in the next video.